Guys, see all that dirt coming up? See all that dirt coming up? So when I tell my customers that a good prep job equals a good paint job, this is what I mean. So all this dirt and grime that is on here is what will cause to get in the future bad spots. What happens is the dirt sits underneath of the material and then it doesn't 100% cure. There's always going to be that space and it bubbles and it don't adhere. Paint is like glue. You want it, it's a colored glue. You want it to stick to the surface. This prevents the 100% of the material sticking to the surface. But when you clean the surface properly, there's no dirt on there. You clean it, you sand it, you clean it or stain it, and you'll get longevity. This is exactly why I recommend and always do a full preparation.